It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question 128. If function f is defined as this, then the question is, what is the value of f prime 0? Right? So we're going to have to find the derivative of this function, and we're going to substitute 0 for x. Here, this is a rational function, but numerator is constant, right? In this case, we don't have to apply the quotient rule, right? What we can do is we can rewrite this function as f of x is equal to natural log 4x plus e to the x squared minus 1, all of this expression to the power of negative 1. And then, find the derivative of this function. So f prime x is equal to, here, power rule first, right? So negative 1 times natural log 4x plus e to the x squared minus 1, all of this expression to the power of negative 2 times, now we're going to have to write the derivative of this expression right here. We have a natural log, right? If we have natural log, then derivative of this function is 1 over all of this expression, right? So 1 over 4x plus e to the x squared minus 1. So far so good. Okay, so because of natural log, we have this. Now we have 4x plus e to the x squared minus 1, right? So we have to multiply the derivative of this expression. That's chain rule, right? So times 4x, derivative of 4x, that's a 4, and derivative of exponential e to the x squared minus 1 is we have to rewrite and multiply by this expression, 2x, right? So let's erase this. We have this derivative. That's quite long, right? Okay, we have to find f prime 0. So we're going to substitute 0 for x. So negative natural log, we have 0 here. So that's 0 plus 0 here, right? E to the negative 1 to the power of, okay, let me erase this. We have a parenthesis here and here, power of negative 2. And we're going to substitute 0 here. That's 0. 0 here. So that's going to be 1 over e to the negative 1, right? Times, substitute 0 here and 0 here. So that's going to be 4 plus, since this is a 0, 0 times e to the negative 1, that's a 0, right? So far so good. So that is equal to negative. Here, this is natural log e to the negative 1, right? But we have a power negative 2. So I'm going to write e to the, natural log e to the negative 1 squared, right? Times 1 over e to the negative 1 times 4, right? So let's simplify this. Remember, natural log e to the negative 1, using the property of logarithm, this can be written as negative 1 times natural log e. Natural log e is what? 1, right? That's log base e. That's 1. E to the power of 1 is equal to e. That's the definition of logarithm. So that's going to be negative 1 times 1 is equal to negative 1, right? So that is equal to negative 1 over negative 1 squared. And we have this expression right here, 1 over e to the negative 1 is equal to 1 over e. That's e, right? So we have e times 4. This one is 1, right? That's 1. Negative 1 squared. So that's going to be negative 1 times e to the 4. That's negative 4e. So our answer is negative 4e.